students, a very good morning and welcome to the new class of English. Today we are moving on to the second part of our first lesson, that is Centipede Song. The title of our first lesson is Centipede Song and it's a poem. It's a poem. P-O-E-M, poem. We studied the first part and today we are moving on to the last stanza. First two stanzas we studied, and the first stanza is 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs, 40,000 little feet walking down in pair, crunching on the gravel, marching in the shade, sounding like an army of soldiers on parade. How happy is the centipede that doesn't have to care except to have his 40,000 shoes in good repair. Okay, I had already given you an assignment, that was to read the text fluently and take an audio of that and send it to me in the WhatsApp. How many of you have done it? I got only a few audios. That was very pleasant, and I congratulate all the students who send me the audio of this song. Okay, then the others who doesn't send have an opportunity today. When this class comes to you, you read the text very fluently and take an audio of that and send it to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, I will explain the first answer. 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs. This is a story about a centipede. Centipede, how many legs a centipede have? A centipede have too many legs. That means here in this chapter, this particular centipede has 40,000 legs. How many legs? 40,000 legs. I will write the stanza here and explain. 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs. How many legs this centipede have? 40,000 legs. And walking down the stairs. What is it doing? It is coming out down the stairs. It is walking down the stairs. 40,000 little feet. How many feet? 40,000 little feet walking down in pair. They are walking down in pair. Crunching on the gravel. When the centipede travels through the gravel, gravel means the stones, small stones in the sand is called a gravel. Walking, crunching on the gravel. When it is coming through the gravel, there is a crunching sound. There is a crunching sound. Crunching on the gravel, marching on the shade. Always centipede likes to stay in a shade. That means it does not like the heat of the sun. It likes the shade and it is always staying in wet places. Whenever in a place where our firewood is stored, centipede or cockroaches may stay there because of the wetness of the place. And marching in the shade, sounding like an army. It has so many legs, and when it marches or when it travels through the gravel, it sounds like the marching of army of soldiers. Marching of, sounding like an army of soldiers on a parade. Army of soldiers in a parade. Soldiers, S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S, soldiers in a parade. P-A-R-A-D-E, parade. They make a special sound. They make a marching of soldiers make a special sound, that when this centipede travels through the gravel, it make a crunching sound, and in a way it is marching through the shade. It sounds like the parade of army of soldiers. Parade of soldiers. When the soldiers make a parade, there is a special sound of 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a strictly the sound is strictly in limited intervals. Their footsteps are in an arranged manner. Each and everyone is walking in an arranged manner. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, it is very pleasant to hear. Like that, here the centipede have how many legs? 40,000 legs, and it sounds like when it is traveling through the shade on the gravel, it sounds like the parade of army of soldiers. Okay. Last answer. How happy is the centipede? I write the last answer here. How happy is the centipede? How happy is the centipede? Is the centipede. How happy is the centipede? That doesn't have to care. That doesn't have to care. Try to read. That doesn't, D-O-E-S-N-T, doesn't have to care. That doesn't have to care. That doesn't have to care except to have his 40,000, except E-X-C-E-P-T, except have, to have, except to have, T-O, to have, H-A-V, have, to have his 40,000, his 40,000 shoes in good repair. Shoes in good repair. Is 40,000 shoes in good repair. Okay, listen here. Listen to this one. How happy is the centipede? How happy the centipede looks so happy in this picture. There in this page number 8. In page number 8, there is the picture of a centipede and its face looks so happy. Its face looks so happy. It is smiling, and it is smiling. How happy is the centipede? When we hear centipede is walking, we hear the sound of a parade of soldiers. We hear the sound of a parade of soldiers, and the centipede looks so happy. How happy is the centipede? C-E-N-T-I-P-E-D. Centipede. How happy is the centipede? That doesn't have to care. It is not caring about anything. It is not bothering about anything. It is not worried about anything. The centipede is very happy. It is not worried about anything. And except one. That means except. There are two words that is pronounced as the same. Not same, but there may be confusion. E-X-C-E-P-T. That is except. It is pronounced as except. E-X-C-E-P-T. Next one is accept. A-C-C-E-P-T. Accept. It is accept. And E-X-P-E-C-T. That is expect. Okay. There may be a confusion. So what? So that I am saying this. E-X-C-E-P-T. That means accept. Accept, then accept. A-C-C-E-P-T. Accept, and expect. E-X-P-E-C-T. Expect. Here, accept. The centipede is very happy. It is not caring, or it is not bothering, or it is not worried about anything except one thing. Which is the one thing that bothers the centipede? Except to have his 40,000 shoes on the pair. How many legs he have? He has 40,000 legs. He has 40,000 legs. And how many shoes does he want? He wants 40,000 shoes. He wants 40,000 shoes. We have only how many legs? 2 legs. We have only 2 legs, and we want 2 shoes. So here this centipede have 40,000 legs, so it wants 40,000 shoes. Nothing is bothering the centipede. Nobody can. The centipede is not bothering about anything, but except one thing. Anything except one thing. That is, his 40,000 shoes are in good repair. His 40,000 shoes are in good repair. Okay, I read that question once again. How happy is the centipede that doesn't have to care, except to have his 40,000 shoes in good repair. Okay. Which are the confusing words? EXCEPT, except, ACCEPT, except, and then EXPCT, expect. Okay. Then we have to look at the meanings. Crunching. First word is crunching. 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 Crunching means making a sound as if something is being crushed or broken. Making a sound, MAKING. Whenever you write a word, you say the spelling, and then it will be very easy for you to remember the spelling. Making, MAKING, making a sound, SOUND, making a sound, as if something is being, as if something, SOMETHING, something is being crushed or broken. Crushed. CRUSHED, crushed or broken. BROKEN. Okay, listen here. What is the meaning of crunching? In the ad of advertisement of Munch, there is a crunch, crunchy Munch, because it is very crunchy. Kit Kat, it is very crunchy when we put it in the refrigerator for some time. After that, when we chew it or bite it, there is a crunchy sound. That is here. Crunching means making a sound as if something is being crushed, something is being grinded and broken. Something is being crushed and broken. Whenever we put a piece of glass on a space, and when we put something heavy on it, there is a crunching sound. Whenever we put a toffee like Kacha mango or Poppins, whenever we bite into it, there is a crunchy sound. That is crunching. Crunching, spelling CRUNCHING. Crunching means making a sound as if something is being crushed or broken. Making a sound as if something is being crushed or broken. Next word, gravel. 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 The meaning of gravel: small, 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 rounded, rounded stones, rounded, STONES, stones, often mixed with sand. Often, OFTEN. It is written as often, but it is pronounced as often. The T is silent. Small, rounded stones, often mixed with sand. MIXED, mixed with sand. WITH, with sand. SAND. Okay, this is a gravel. GRA. It's a new word for you. GRAVEL. What is the word? Gravel. What is gravel? Small, rounded stones, often mixed with the sand. Whenever there is a construction, some sand may be involved get into that place. And whenever the children are in the habit of picking up some small rounded ball shaped stones from that. It is not in red color, it is not in, it is having a sandal color. And that is very polished stone. The uppermost layer of or the base of the stone is looking very polished, and it is in Malayalam it is known as Vellarangal, that is gravel, G-R-A. Whenever water is poured into the gravel, it flows freely through the gravel. There is no sand. That is known as gravel. What is the meaning of gravel? Small rounded stones often mixed with the sand. Small rounded stones often mixed with the sand. Next word, parade. P-A-R-A-D-E. P-A-R-A-D-E. Parade. What is the meaning of parade? Parade means a large number of people. A large, L-A-R-G-E. Large number of people, P-E-O-P-L-E, a large number of people are going in the same direction or going in the same direction, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, or going in the same direction, usually a part of a public celebration. Usually, U-S-U-A-L-L-Y, usually a part of a public C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-I-O-N, public celebration. Okay, let's listen here. What is a parade? A large number of people all going in the same direction. Usually part of a public celebration. Whenever we celebrate January 26th, what is the specialty of January 26th? Do you know what is the specialty of January 26th, or what is the importance of that day? It's a national festival day. Which is the national festival we celebrate on January 26th? Republic Day. On Republic Day, various societies or schools are conducting parades. They are participating in parade, and in Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi there is a parade, national parade on Republic Day, and our first citizen, who is the first citizen of our country? The president is the first citizen of our country, and he will salute the nation, and he will salute the parade, and he will address our nation. On that day, days like that, we are in the habit of conducting parades. Parade means a large number of people. That means more than 50 people in one parade. 100 people, 1000 people, then 500 people, like that. Parade means they are moving in the same direction. They are having the same movement. They are having the same movement, and they are walking in the same direction. That is known as parade. And parades are conducted in usually a part of public celebration. So a celebration that is having social importance. It is conducted in occasions that is having social importance. Okay. Read the 3 words and their meanings once again. Please listen. Crunching, making a sound as if something is being crushed or broken. The next one, gravel, small rounded stones often mixed with the sand. Then parade, a large number of people all going in the same direction, usually a part of a public celebration. I hope all of you understood the poem and the word meanings. Okay. Next thing, that is make sentences with the following words. First one, crunching. C-R-U-N-C-H-I-N-G. ing, crunching. When we bite, some toffees, Toffee, toffees, there is a crunching sound. Crunching sound. When we bite some toffees, there is a crunching sound. It is a large sentence, but it is very easy to understand it because you experience that sound. When we bite some toffees, there is a crunching sound. Crunching. Okay. When we there is another instance. I can say another instance. Whenever our house is closed for a long time or our windows are closed for a long time, when we open it, there is a that is not a crunching sound, it is a creaking sound. It is a creaking sound. Crunching is something when we bite something or when we eat something, there may be a crunching sound. crunching, crunching. Next one, gravel. Gravel, gravel, Gravel. Make a sentence using gravel. Gravel is laid in our schoolyard. Yard means yard. Gravel is laid in our school yard. That means gravel means gravel say the meaning. Small rounded stones often mixed with the sand. That is laid means put in our school yard. Our school yard is decorated with the gravel. Our school yard means muttam. Our school yard is laid by gravel. Gravel is laid in our school yard. Gravel is laid in our school yard. The next word, parade. I participated, or our school participated. Our school, SCHOOL. Our school participated in the last year's Republic Day parade. REPUBLIC, Republic Day parade. Okay, parade. Using the word parade, make a sentence. Our school participated. Participated means pangadutthirunnu. Participated. PARTICIPATED. Say the spelling and then pronounce it. Participated. Noun is participation. Then our school participated in the last year's Republic Day parade. Our school participated in the last year's Republic Day parade. Okay, is it clear? Do you write? Whenever the class comes to you, you take a pencil along with the textbook, and the things I wrote in the blackboard should be in your text. You write at the same name when I am writing in the blackboard. Okay, I will read these three sentences once again. Take your pencil and write in your text. Crunching, C-R-U-N-C-H-I-N-G, crunching. When we bite some toffees, there is a crunching sound. When we bite some toffees, there is a crunching sound. Next one, gravel, G-R-A-V-E-L, gravel means gravel. Make a sentence using the word gravel. Gravel is laid in our schoolyard. Gravel is laid in our schoolyard. Then parade. Our school participated in the last year's Republic Day parade. Our school participated in the last year's Republic Day parade. Okay, which are the things we studied today? I'll read that poem once again and say the meaning, summary, and then describe the things we studied in this class. Okay. 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs. 40,000 little feet walking down in pair. Crunching on the gravel, marching in the shade, sounding like an army or soldiers on parade. How happy is the centipede that doesn't have to care except to have his 40,000 shoes in good repair. Okay, let us find out some rhyming words. Do you know how we find out some rhyming words from the poem? Rhyming words. R-H-Y-M-I-N-G, rhyming words. W-O-R-D-S, rhyming words. Look at the first four lines. 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs. 40,000 little feet walking down in pair. Is there any rhyming word? The words, maybe it's beginning or maybe at the last part, there is a rhyming, pronounced as the same, that is rhyming. Then, crunching on the gravel, marching in the shade, sounding like an army or soldiers on parade. Which are the rhyming words? Crunching, marching. Crunching, then marching. M-A-R-C-H-I-N-G, marching. Crunching, marching. The last segment is pronounced as the same. Next line. How happy is the centipede that doesn't have to care except to have his 40,000 shoes in good repair. Rhyming words are pair, P-A-I-R, pair, then repair. Repair, R-E-P-A-I-R. What is the meaning of pair? Two. Pair means two. Pair of shoes, a pair of specs, like that. Pair. Then repair means maintain. Repair. If something in our house is on a small problem, we bring it for repair. We give it for repair. For getting it repaired. Repair, pair, repair. Which are the rhyming words in this poem? Crunching, marching. Then pair, repair. Pair, repair. Okay. I will read that portion once again, that poem once again. 40,000 little legs walking down the stairs. 40,000 little feet walking down in pair. Crunching on the gravel, marching in the shade, sounding like an army or soldiers on parade. How happy is the centipede that doesn't have to care except to have his 40,000 shoes in good repair. Okay, I had already told you, I had given you a work in the last class, that is take an audio of your recitation of this poem. While you recite the poem for the last time with the fluency, you take an audio of that and send it to me in the WhatsApp. Some of you have sent it to me that in the WhatsApp, and I am taking this opportunity to congratulate the students who send the audio to me. Okay, you please, the students who didn't send me the audio will please take the audio of that and send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay, then I wish you all the very best for your studies, and today we are going to wind up, and let's continue in the next class. Thank you.